Hello everyone, welcome to my new drum lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you a very basic rock groove that any beginner can learn. To begin this groove, I want you to play the hi-hats on the 8th note, which is your 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I want your snare drum to be played on the 2 and 4 like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's come to the main part of this groove, which is your bass drum. On the bass drum, I want you to play a couple of 8th notes and 16th notes together, and it sounds like this. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alright, let's make this groove even more simple. On the 1, I want you to play 1 and up like this. On 2, I want you to play 2 and 2 and. You have to play the kick drum on the and of 2 like this. 2 and. Alright, let's play 1 and 2 together. Now on 3, I want you to play the bass drum on the and of 3 like this. 3 and 3 and. Now let's play the 1, 2 and 3 together, and it sounds like this. And at the end, which is your 4, I want you to play a very simple hi-hat and a snare together like this. 4 and 4 and. Now let's play the entire groove, and it sounds like this.